So this is winter 2021. I got a Dodge Ram 1500. I had to change the spare tire on it. Mine's a 2018, and first of all, the three rods, your jack and everything, are under the front passenger seat, not under the back bench like previous models. It seems like after 2014 they changed the model, Classic Edition or something, and caused me a problem with the spare tire. So one day I had a flat, had to get the spare tire out. So lots of good videos on that. I'm not going to get into it too much. Basically, you connect the three rods, you slide it in that little hole at the tailgate, and you crank down to lower the tire, and you crank up to crank it back up. Only problem I found was pre-2014, the tire in the videos that they show is different on the 2018 model. It's actually reverse. So I'll show you what it looks like because I've just done it, and then after I did it, I thought maybe I should show you a little video on it. So that's what I'm doing. So this is underneath. So this cable here drops down. Hopefully you can see it all. And most of the cavity of the tire underneath goes up first. Where in the videos, this thing goes up first. This side, the side with the tire tabs, go up first. On the 2018 model, they face down. If you try to crank it up, if you try to crank it up the way they show it on a lot of those videos on YouTube, there'll be too much wiggle room. You'll never crank it up high enough. Pull it back down, reverse it so that the tire inflations or devices, whatever they call them, are facing downward. Then it will crank up and then it'll be tight. Hope this helps. Like I said, this is a 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. And took me about an hour to figure it out, but good luck. Hope this helps.